Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ethereum hasn't really changed much since yesterday. The price is pretty much in the middle of our target area that I defined when the price started its move to the upside down here for a C wave within wave E of B. So it's reached that target area and now we just need to see, okay, do we get any signals for a top? At the moment, not yet. I highlighted to you yesterday the first indication that a local top is in place would be a break below the first key level here at $2,510. It's one of these, previous swing lows that we added to the chart yesterday, these lines. But that area did hold, or that level did hold. So all support levels still hold, which means no sign that a top is in place, but you can see how the market is reacting to that target area and Fibonacci resistance area. But it doesn't look like a top is in place yet. At least we don't really have the clear confirmation. What I would need to see next is really a break below that red line to even consider a top is in place, okay? So we might see further extensions. But then further confirmation that a top is in place would be a break below the next swing low, which looks a little bit more significant, also more important for the microstructure here. And this level is at 2,437. And these are the two levels I would want to see broken to really consider that a local top has formed. At the moment, we are simply consolidating in the target area the price was, let's say, supposed to get into anyway in this C wave. Now, the wave count is still, still a possible triangle pattern where we have an A wave, a B wave, a C wave, a D wave, and a D wave. The triangle as it is will be invalidated with a break above the C wave high here at around 2,734. That would invalidate it. It would not invalidate the entire triangle, but it would invalidate the microstructure as it is. It's always possible that wave C does extend a bit, but it will be fully invalidated with a break above the A wave high, which is at 2,785. And to be honest, if we break above that next high, then we are very close to the full invalidation point, you could say. And therefore, I assume that if we break above that line there, then it's not a triangle anymore, okay? But at the moment, I'm just simply watching if the market gives us any signal that this triangle is complete. Bitcoin would need to cooperate with that, I'm sure. Not doing that at this stage, so that's why I'm not calling a top in place here at this stage, right? I'm simply riding the trend here. And as I said, it can be reasonable to try to ride the trend if you're trading this, as long as it's easy to do so and the trend is still up. Even though now of course, with the invalidation point very close, it might even make sense to consider short positions. At the same time, I don't have a very clear short trade setup, just saying, not confirming a top here at this stage. What I would want to see to consider something more bullish, I mean, I'm considering it already, but for more clarity, we want to see a break above 2,734. That would invalidate, as I said, one bearish count. It would invalidate the triangle. It would therefore increase probabilities for the bullish scenario, which, as you know, is the white one on the chart here. We have to consider it in this scenario. However, I would want to see the third wave completed first. That's pretty much the white count that I'm tracking for Bitcoin as well. It's just that Ethereum looks much weaker. But, if this is playing out, then we need to complete the third wave first. And then we want to see a fourth wave and a fifth wave, which should reach the 1.618 extension at 3,352. So this is definitely a potential, but I would want to see a break above 2,734 first to get some confidence in this structure. Please note that with just three waves up, it can still be a B wave, not in triangle format, but could just be a WXY structure, easily possible WXY, and the Y wave is an ABC. Yeah? So it's just something to be, it's just something to be very much aware of. All right, and we can, I mean, it's quite simple. It's all about watching for the 5-wave pattern. We haven't seen any substantial 5-wave patterns from the low, right? We haven't seen any substantial 5-wave pattern from the low. So it's therefore only a 3-wave move up if we get towards the target area above, And as long as it's a 3-wave move up, it can always be a B wave. So therefore, I'm always saying to really confirm that on the 5th of August, a lower is formed, we need all 5 waves. There are clear guidelines, and once we get all 5 waves, we can call that a wave 1. I will add a support area for the wave 2. For now, our support area did hold on the daily chart, which is this one, and the price has reacted to it, as you can see. So that's good to see. The only question is, do we get another low or not in this wave 4 at the moment? For now, easily still possible, but let's take it level by level. And the next step for the bulls will be a break above 2,734. And just to repeat, so far the trend still seems to be up, but this is an area where it's quite high risk, right, that we start a local downtrend. That's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. On Friday, I plan to send out our MCO newsletter again. If you want to join that for free, you can find a direct link for that in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.